Hey there, Santiago here. Just wanted to check in and say thank you again for downloading the Growth Metrics Toolkit. If you started using it already, amazing. And if not, this quick video will show you how to make the most of it. The tool includes 5 pages, each one with a different category of KPIs. On the first one, we have revenue and monetization metrics. And on each one, you will see the definition, how to use it, a table example, some tips, the formula, the recommended visualization, and the real image. After we have gone through all the pages and understood how to use the metrics in the proper way, then you should go to the bonus and open the Mega Excel template that you can make a copy in Google Spreadsheets or upload it to Microsoft Excel. The template contains multiple columns: the date, the KPI category, the metric name, the value, the target, and the difference between the value and the target, the actuals and the target. You will also find the unit, the segment, and your notes and the source. This toolkit was designed to help you focus on the metrics that actually move the needle: retention, usage, revenue, and conversion. Whether you're using the Notion version or if you've jumped into the Excel spreadsheet, start with one KPI group and track consistently. Now, if you found the toolkit helpful, you're going to love what's next. We're launching a course called Product Analytics 101, and it's built to take you from we're tracking some metrics to we know what drives our growth and we can prove it. Inside the course, we cover how to define and prioritize product KPIs, how to create simple, clear dashboards, how to automate data collection tools, and real product team examples. It's concise, practical, and built for people that is starting on the product analytics world. In a couple of days, I'm going to send you something special: a free mini guide on automating your KPI collection using no-code tools. It will help you automate all the data collection that you need in that spreadsheet or wherever you host your data without the needing of downloading manually many files. No big budget, no full data team required. Until then, keep exploring the toolkit and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.